No.
Hello. Hi. Yas. What's up, everybody? Thank you for watching another Feast of Fiction. This was a Kung Fu Kitchen series from, of course, the awesome anime 7 Deadly Sins. If you liked it, let us know in the comments below. If you are here to find an awesome apple pie recipe, well, have we got you covered. You can find that in the description box below, as well as a full video we did with the recipe a few years back for Adventure Time, and that recipe is still awesome and we stand by it. So if you're looking to make an apple pie, that's the place to go. As always, the people that really make this show possible are our patrons, and we shout out one lucky patron every single week. So this week's episode is dedicated to...
Who's that patron? It's L.
I'm here to ask you, do you think there is another iconic anime scene that we should recreate on the show? If so, leave it in the comments below or send us a message or join our Patreon and chat on our Discord where we're talking to our fans every single day. And of course, if you know anyone that's a 7 Deadly Sins fan, please forward this video to them, share it with them, tag them. Let them know that it exists because we want to share this love of anime with the whole world! We also poll our patrons and they get to choose what recipe we are making next. So sign up for the Patreon at patreon.com/feastoffiction if you haven't already. And of course, leave a comment below. Let us know what you thought about the episode, what you want to see us make next on the show. And I hope you all have a wonderful weekend.